Good day, sir. This is Charles Durham Vlog from Base 73 Canopus, and this is my video explanation about the IMO performance standards for ICDIS, the display of other navigational information, and the display mode and the generation of the neighboring area. First is the radar information or IAS information may be transferred from system compliant with relevant standard for the organization. Dapat ang radar information is most transferred the relevant standard of the organization. And next is other vital information may be added to ICDIS display. However, it should not degrade the displayed SCNC information. It should be clearly distinguishable from the SCNC information. It should be possible to remove the radar information. Dapat ang SCNC information mo dapat mo remove sa radar information. Then the AS information and other navigational information by single operation action. ICDIS and added navigational information should be used common reference system. If this is not in the case, an indication should be provided. Radar transferred information may contain a radar image and or track target information. If the radar image is added to ICDIS display, the chart and the radar image should be matched in scale, projection, and orientation. The radar image and the position from the position sensor should be both adjusted automatically for antenna offset from the coning position. Dapat ang radar position is mo adjust sa antenna offset from the coning position. Then the next is the aninata sa display mode and generation of the neighboring area. First is it should always be possible to display the SCNC information in the north up orientation. Dapat ang radar is automatic na north up orientation, dapat na mag north up. Then other orientation are permitted when such orientations are displayed. The orientation should be altered in step large enough to avoid unstable display of the chart information. Next is ICDIS should be provided for true motion mode. Dapat ang ICDIS mag-provide og true motion mode, true na dapat. Then other modes are permitted when the true motion mode is in use. Reset and generation of the chart display of the neighboring area should take place automatically at on-ship distance from the edge of the display as determined by the mariner. Dapat ang automatic ng yung ship gikan sa iyang area. Then it should be possible to manually change the display chart area, the position of on-ship relative to the edge of the display. Last is if the area covered by the ICDIS display includes water which of its ANC at a scale appropriate for navigation is available, the areas presenting those water should carry an indication that to the mariner referred to the paper chart to the RCDS mode of operation. And that's all, sir. Thank you.